city wakes, lunch pail rattles, sunrise breaks. Steel and rubber boom up high, pouring foundations as the trucks roll by. Another block, another street, wet gray mud at my worn out feet. I'm building the city line by line, concrete rivers one pour at a time. Long days, heavy load, dust in my lungs, but the skylines are rising 'cause the work gets done. Boom swing slow, hose in hand, every move gotta be steady and planned. Cold in the winter, heat in July, hands shaking night, but the walls stand high. Schools and homes where families live, everything I've got is what I give. I'm building the city, street by street, from the ground below to the towers we meet. They won't know my name when the job is done, but I'll point and say, son, see what we built up from none to daddy. Do your hands hurt? I pause for a while. Son, are you hungry? He gives me a smile. Do you love where we live? Do you ever go without? He looks up and says, Dad, I'm good, don't worry about. Mud on my jeans, sweat on my brow, boom folded down, daylight fading now. Another pour signed off, washout done. City stands taller than it did this morning sun. I'm building the city, my back and my name. Every long day, every ounce of pain. If you're fed, if you're safe, if you're proud, my son, then this work means more than what it's cost me, son. He says I'm good, Dad, and that's all I need. As I pack up the pump and head down the street.